Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. And if you are still using Zoom, this is a great tech tip for you, and I recommend you hanging out with us for a couple of minutes today. Zoom is evolving, and they released a new feature this year called the whiteboard. Now, the whiteboard is a feature where you can collaborate online. And how does it work? This is just a Zoom meeting I set up. I'm going to scroll down and click on the whiteboard. It's going to open a new aspect where you can select a new whiteboard to open. And then you can start collaborating on it. You can put shapes, sticky notes, you can type in it. You can do all kinds of things on a whiteboard just like you do in a conference room, but do it in Zoom whenever you're collaborating with your coworkers online. Then from that point, you can share, you can save it. There's all these different things you can do with this whiteboard of ideas of collaboration while you're working in Zoom and doing things that you used to do inside of a conference room that maybe have coworkers that sit anywhere inside the United States of the globe that you can have the same aspect inside of there. Now, it has been brought up to saying, hey, I don't have the whiteboard feature. Where is that? Well, it's new this year. It just came out. It's an update. So what you want to do is check whoever has the control of it's called like the corporate account or the main account, has whiteboard activated or turned on for that feature to show up inside of the capabilities of Zoom. So sometimes it may not be there. You just need to get that feature turned on. But I hope that helps you out, gives you a little bit of a conference room feel whenever you're still working on Zoom from anywhere in the world. As always, if you have any IT thorns that are pressing for you, that are driving you crazy in your office, we'd love to chat with you, see if CCS is potentially the right fit to help you out and take care of any of those IT problems that might be driving you crazy. Feel free to reach out to us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I appreciate as always for hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. You have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.